Welcome to the channel. In this, I'm going to install a silent sling that is still mint in its package to the M14. So I'm just opening it up. And I don't know whether some of you are the type of purist that would want to keep the packaging and cause as little damage to it as possible, whereas some of you are like, it's done its job. Just put it in the bin. So here's the sling. And you can see the condition of the sling is very, very good. And it's MRT February 1951. And yeah, it's a very mint condition original sling. Fitting it is straightforward in respects that all it does is clip on. And that's it on that side. And then takes that time. That came off. And it's clipped on this side. And there's the sling on. You pull this apart and you can tighten the sling up and then clamp it back shut. And that's the sling attached. So yeah, just a quick video to give your rifle a little bit more authenticity. Thanks for watching. As usual, if you've enjoyed the content, please like, share, subscribe and comment, and I'll see you later.